Another aspect of vision is, well, is it important for us to see the hand using our peripheral vision while catching? And the answer is yes, it is important to have our hand and our peripheral visual field. Smith and Marriott, their study was they had this screen which blocked the view of the arm. So they put the screen and the subject with the dominant arm. So they had to catch the ball coming towards the dominant arm. They were able to see the ball till some point in time, but they were not allowed to watch the hand. So this is the posterior view of the subject. So it's back of the head, right? When the vision was available to the hand, the percentage of catch was 17.5 out of 20 catches. But when they were not allowed to see their hands, only 9.2 out of 20 catches. So it's less than half, almost half the performance they made when they're not allowed to see their hands. Well, we know that with experience, like baseball players, they might be benefit the performance from their practice, so they might have increased their proprioceptive sensitivity to locate their hands accurately, and that was true. So Fitchman and Schneider compared the catching similar study with Smith and Marriott, but they had two groups, experienced group and inexperienced group. And what they found out was both groups increased the error when they could not see the hand, but the percentage of error, was, they analyzed the error in two ways. One was positioning error, whether the hand was located in different trajectories so the error occurred, so it's classified as positioning error, and grasping error, so timing of the grasping, when the timing of the grasping was wrong, even though the position was right, they had error in catching the ball. So they classified two different types of error, and what they found was this graph. This one is number of catches out of 20. So with full vision, well, experienced subject was superior in their performance than the novice. Without the vision of the hand, both decreased their performance. Let's look at the error type. So this is the error type. The hatched error represents the position error, and the field block represents the grip error, grasp error. And you can see the experienced players had similar proportion of positioning and grasping error, but the non-experienced subject, when they were to see the vision, they had more grasping error, but where the vision was not allowed, they had more positioning error than grasping error. So the proportion changed dramatically on non-experienced subjects. So inexperienced subject, the positioning error was much greater than grasping error. For the experienced, those two grasping and positioning error did not really differ between the two, so it did not depend on the viewing the hand. So it supports the theory hypothesis that with more experience, the subject could position their hands in a similar way to the full vision, with the full vision, but for the novice they were not able to locate the hand in the correct way. So it's affected by the experience.